Once you are in Sora, any books that you already have downloaded will show up on your homepage. Once you click on it, so for example, this one is an ebook. So if I were to click on that book, I can open it, and it is going to open up to where I left off reading. If I just click on the side, it's going to scroll through the pages so I can just read it on my device. If I want some information on the book, I can click See Book Details. This right here, the ATOS level, this is the AR level. So if I wanted to take an AR test on it and I was in a 3.7 range, that would be a choice for me. If it has a headphone icon, that means it is an audiobook. So if I click on it and I open the audiobook, it will play it in my device.
Text copyright 2008.
But for most of them, there are no words to read along with. To find a new book, you're going to click the Explore icon. And you're going to go ahead and you can search either on the bottom, it has subjects. So if you are into funny books, you would click on humor, mystery. So go ahead and click on them. If it says borrow, that means the book is available right now. If you see it is blacked out and it says a place hold, that means somebody else already has the item checked out and you will have to wait. If you have any questions on how to log into Sora or how to find certain books, you can go ahead and see me in the library, and happy reading.